Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi S4 faster. We'll cover key areas like engine tuning, exhaust systems, suspension, and braking. These modifications can significantly boost your car's performance, enhancing both speed and handling. Get ready to transform your S4 into an even more thrilling machine, ready for the road or track, with practical steps and valuable insights. To unlock more power, consider an ECU tune, which can add substantial horsepower and torque. Pairing this with a supercharger pulley upgrade will further increase boost. Don't forget a cold air intake for better engine breathing and a larger intercooler to keep air temperatures down, ensuring consistent performance even under demanding conditions. An upgraded catback exhaust system not only sounds great, but also reduces back pressure, freeing up horsepower. For improved traction and power delivery, a sport differential is a fantastic addition. Consider a lightweight flywheel for quicker throttle response and transmission tuning to optimize shift points, making your S4 feel even more responsive. Enhance your S4's handling with a coilover suspension kit, allowing for adjustable ride height and damping. Performance tires are crucial for superior grip, especially when pushing your car. For safety and track performance, a big brake kit will significantly reduce stopping distances. Finally, upgraded sway bars will minimize body roll, giving you more confidence in corners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.